Hello friends, so in this video we are going to see how to disable automatic updates and automatic installation in your Windows 10 operating system. So here, with the help of the Windows group policy editor, we can do this. So first you have to click the start button and go to the run window, or you just press the Windows key and R simultaneously to get the run window, and then type gp edit .msc and then press OK. So this is the local group policy editor window. If you can maximize it. So here you just go to the computer configuration and just expand this administrative templates. So under administrative templates, just expand this Windows components. Okay, and just scroll at the bottom. So under Windows components you could see Windows update option, just to click it. So now come to the right hand side. So here you could see various options and features for Windows update. Just double click this configure automatic updates. So configure automatic updates. So by default it will be not configured. So here what you have to do is you just click the enabled, right? So now here you could see the configure automatic updating options. So to notify for download and auto install, and the third option is auto download and notify for install, and next one is the auto download and schedule the install, and the fifth one is allow local admin to choose setting. So if you want to avoid the automatic download, then the best option is this one, that is the second option, that is notify for download and auto install. So if you have any doubts, you could here the description for each and every option is available. So option 2, that is notify before downloading and install my updates. If your operating system finds any updates that apply to the computer, then the users will be notified that updates are ready to be downloaded. Right? After going to Windows Update, users can download manually and install any updates which is available under this section. So here this one is the default settings, that is the third option, auto download and notify for install. So the updates will be downloaded automatically in the background of your system once you connect to the internet. And the next option, automatically download updates and install them on schedule specified below. So here the download will be automatically, but at the time of installation we have to specify the time, right? And the last option is allow local administrators to select the configuration mode that automatic updates should notify and install updates. Actually, this option has not been carried over to any versions in Windows 10. So the best option you have to choose is notify or download and auto install. Then just click apply and then click OK. Just close this window and your settings will be changed. Thank you.